I wasn't even recording that whole time.
It's burnt. It's icy.
What is it, honey?
What is it?
What are you excited about? Let's see. There's Malcolm's name on it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna lay it down so you can get to it.
What is it?
Oh, airplanes.
Airplanes?
Oh, I read the directions.
Read the directions. Off.
Is that what he said?
Yeah. Malcolm, look. You can build a rocket. A big rocket.
You want to build a rocket?
I really help.
You will need help.
I will.
This looks like quite a project.
Oh boy, that's a big piece. Malcolm.
I'm almost so lucky that
Okay. Hey, here you go. There's presents.
It's presents. So big. Oh my goodness. What? What is that?
Oh my goodness.
What does it say?
It says Malcolm. And then Malcolm and how I'm John. David and Joan. I love you.
It does.
It does.
Malcolm Murray Howell from David and Joan, I love you. That's right. That's basically the gist of it.
Yeah. Now to build. You need these pieces. You need these pieces. Dada.
I'm listening.
Malcolm, do you want to show me the half of the rocket ship that's already put together?
Inside the helmet. Inside the hole. Inside the hole. Inside food.
Is this a NASA rocket?
Yeah, it's NASA. It's NASA. Build a white rocket ship.
A white rocket ship, yeah?
Yeah, there's another rocket ship over there. It'll be big. It'll be big.
I think Dada's putting the two halves together, buddy. Oh, I think he just took a breath and stopped moving for about 2 seconds.
Did you pass out with excitement?
I didn't do fast. I just stopped. I stopped. Stop. I need to eat it.
Where's Malcolm? Can you look at me through the hole?
I see you.
I see you. That rocket ship is bigger than you, buddy.
Yeah.
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 Yes. I did.
Can you,
I went to space.
you went to space.
I went to space.
Can you thank Joan and David for sending you such a fun present?
Wait to David Jones. Wait to David Jones.
That's right.
Wait to.
Oh,
Thank you for the gift for me. Wait to.
thank you for the gift for me. That's right.
For the gift for me.
He's like, bye.
Okay. We are done. The rocket ship is done. You know, we put one of your chairs in here. You want to put a chair in here? So you have a chair in the rocket ship?
No, I'll have to buckle them in. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Awesome.
Where's Malcolm? Can you stick your head out one of the holes and say hi? Over this way?
Look out can you look out the window?
Yeah, look out the window. Oh!
Hi!
Hi!
We see you. Hi, Rocket Man. It's moving.
I get you, Dad.
Okay, don't run into it.
Hi. Crash.
You don't want to crash in the thing.
We have a job. We have a job.
A job.
A job.
Go ahead.